Okay, and we are live. So welcome to everyone to this webinar. And I see it's a bit dark here, so I put my light on. So yeah, welcome to this webinar on Tuesday, 4 p.m. CET time. And yeah, I see here are already a few people there. Good morning, good evening, good day to everyone, wherever you are. And yeah, today we have great news. I want to share with you first the new product that we have on our Peak DeFi app. And second, of course, I will do our newest presentation. And at the end, I will also talk about also during the presentation, I will also talk about the updates that we have right now, okay? So therefore, I will want to start directly with the presentation and share my screen. So yeah, give me feedback if you see the screen, but normally you should see it now. And yeah, let's start with MarketPeak as a community rewarding gateway for fintech projects and tokenized assets. So that's the company where we're talking about at first, and later we will also jump into DeFi about our other projects and how you can participate as a member of it. Okay, and yeah, we are also based. We are based in Dubai Silicon Oasis. It's a special tech hub in Dubai, and yeah, so it's also the middle between Europe and Asia, and therefore we are based there with other great companies like Mitsubishi, SAP, and other companies. And my name is Sergey Heck. I'm the CEO of the company. And in the past, I created big marketing stuff. So I created many clients and many partners and become a global marketing expert. Also about this success, I wrote a book where I also have helped many people to become successful in network marketing and online marketing. And also later, I become an crypto enthusiast because I fell into love in crypto and founded later the companies blockchainhero.com and coincourier.de, which are the which are crypto news websites and education platforms in German-speaking countries. And they are very well. We have already there over 300,000 traffic every month, okay? And now, 1.5 years ago, I founded MarketPeak.com, and here we are, okay? Also, we have on board David Glades. He's our CISO of the company. He's also involved since 2014 in blockchain. And also we have Benjamin Bendig. He's our CTO. He's our IT and blockchain expert, and also was one of the lead developers of Bitwalla, also a big company. On top of that, or over that, we have more than 11 team members on board, which you can see all on our homepage on marketpeak.com. And every one of them has a LinkedIn account, so you can check this. Also, it costs many preparation because you see it in this document. It's not a local people there, it's me. So you see that I'm the authorized manager, and I needed to do medical tests and other stuff to create a license there, to create a company there. So it costs a lot of preparation. Also, our partners are Coin Concepts, Blockchain Hero, Coin Courier, and Bitpoly, and many more meanwhile. And yeah, it's our partnership base growing and growing every week. And to understand better what we do, it is first you need first to know that we are soon in a financial revolution, because if you see how the traditional finance worked before or still working, I think you agree that we need to change, okay? And if you see here you see a comparison between traditional finance, fintech, and decentralized finance, and you see that traditional finance, they have a centralized trust-based software that managing only a few things. And there you have much of bureaucracy for administration, regulation, authority, licensing, and so on. And that costs many time, many manual stuff, less automation. Okay. Then fintech comes with the start of internet over 20 years ago. Or more than 20 years ago, later fintech arrived. So fintech companies arrived, and they are now also not so much old, maybe 5 to 10 years. And they automated more stuff with their centralized software, but still they have a bureaucracy. Okay, they have less bureaucracy, but still there is a bureaucracy. And also it's still a company behind that always. And now what we see now in the last 1.5 year or last year, they are popping up more and more decentralized finance companies. Yeah. And the big advantage is that you have a decentralized trust software, which where's no middleman, no authority behind, and which is open source, which is completely transparent, which is completely automated, yeah, via smart contracts. And this is the big thing, yeah. This is the future, because in the times that we have right now, where governments printing money endless, you need something that is more transparent in the space, yeah. And also because of that, we have very less bureaucracy, and therefore very less fees, of course, because yeah, very less bureaucracy, nearly nothing, yeah. And also you see here between the three comparisons, you see here how they managing money. Yeah, for example, traditional finance use for store of value fiat money, of course. Yeah, fintech has nothing; it's everything digital. And in the decentralized finance, we have proof of work or proof of stake mechanism. Payment side, in the traditional, you have the cash, of course, you have the credit cards, you have bank transfers. In fintech, you have PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, you know that, yeah. And in DeFi, you have stable coins, for example, or you have, of course, other assets like Ethereum if you want to use it, yeah. In traditional, how it is with lending, borrowing. In traditional finance, you have banks where you take a credit or you're lending money. In fintech, you have maybe community lending, and in the DeFi, you have decentralized lending. In the trading space, you have traditional exchanges and banks in traditional finance. In fintech, you have online brokers. DeFi, you have decentralized exchanges, where there's everything also, whereas everything also transparent. And how is investing? Investing, we have in traditional stocks, funds via banks, and in fintech you have stocks through apps like Robinhood, for example. And in DeFi you have tokenized assets in decentralized way, yeah, or DeFi applications that we will later come also into. And you need to understand that we are in the last space. So in the last, we are in the token, in the asset niche in the DeFi space, and that you will later more understand. And if you see the DeFi landscape, it growing more and more. You see only in the last 2 years how many companies arrived in the DeFi space, because what I want to show you, so what I wanted to show you with this last 2 slides is that DeFi is solving problems in the traditional finance, yeah. We have the internet revolution, so that was a communication revolution. And now we have the finance level revolution. And you see how many companies popping up that solving many problems in this centralized world. And also you see here how fast the market cap grows in only the last year. For example, not only the last year, only if you take a look on the last half year, you see that in April or March, the market cap was only below $500 million. Okay, and now we have over $8.9 billion market cap. And this slide is already some weeks old. I take a look on DeFi Pulse today, and there are already more than $10.5 billion invested in DeFi projects. It's amazing. Yeah, it's really huge, and it's growing more and more. And therefore, we are here at the right time and at the right place. That's what I wanted to show you about DeFi, about the financial revolution. And therefore, here comes the Peak ecosystem involved. Yeah, and I want to share with you that we have 3 pillars in our ecosystem that we developing and that we always trying to compete or to challenging many things in this stuff. So first of all, we have MarketPeak. MarketPeak was our first product for 1.5 years, and that is an education and affiliate platform. So here we have as target group newbies and not crypto related people. Yeah, so here we're focusing on the newbies. We teaching them, we showing them how to use the blockchain, how to use Bitcoin, Ethereum tokens, and everything, how to use DeFi. And so that this is our and here's the education. Yeah, and also here we have the community growth by organic because of the affiliate platform, and also because also of the paid traffic, because we scaling more and more doing many paid traffic right now. And therefore here this is the first pillar, this is the foundation where we take most of the people in it, because the mass still don't know about crypto. Yeah, 99% of the whole world don't know about crypto, and therefore someone needs to teach them. Yeah, and that MarketPeak is doing. Yeah, and for the other 1% of the world, for crypto related people, we have our 2 other pillars. Okay, first, we have the Peak DeFi wallet app. Yeah, that's a DeFi mobile wallet on the Ethereum blockchain. So you can download it already now for iOS or Android. And the target group is here are crypto enthusiasts and crypto experts who already know how to use the blockchain, how to send tokens, how to receive tokens. And also, of course, the first people who we educating in MarketPeak, they can also later download the Peak DeFi app if they are if they have no more knowledge about it. But also people who are already crypto related, they already can use it. They can already download it and use it. So, and they don't need to be on MarketPeak. That's very important. And the third pillar is our Peak DeFi fund, that will be peakdefi.com, which we will launch now in November, and I will come later to it again. So, and here we also have the target group, crypto-related people, so crypto enthusiasts and experts, okay? And here also, the first people who get educated in MarketPeak, they can also then start to invest later on Peak DeFi, okay? But already right now, peakdefi.com and the Peak DeFi wallet app get an organic growth by the DeFi hype that we have now, partnerships, community, and crypto market, etc., and more. Yeah, and the big advantage is that compared to other DeFi projects, we have a really community-driven business concept with MarketPeak, because we talk with the mass, we educating the people who don't know about crypto, and therefore we can scale much faster and build a larger community, which will then move also to Peak DeFi on top of that, besides the crypto community that already exists. Yeah, and that's the game changer that we have here, and the opportunity that we have here, and that's what I wanted to show you. Yeah, and also it's not just blah blah what I say to you. We really already delivered many things. we already we have for our Peak ecosystem, we have our own Peak token, okay, and our Peak token is already on the blockchain, and we give over 90% of the token to the community, and this token is required for discounts for projects and products, more rewards more commissions on the reward plan, more voting power, and also usage of the DeFi platform and staking also, okay? And we are also already listed on 6 top exchanges. We are already listed on Probit, Uniswap, P2P, B2B, Bbox, Balancer, and Coinsbit. And 5 of these these exchanges are in the top 30 exchanges of coinmarketcap.com with a daily volume of over $2 billion. So that's amazing what we delivered in this short period of time. And yeah, the first pillar is MarketPeak, like I told. Yeah, we have here education, software, and the affiliate platform. And to participate from MarketPeak, we have here 7 membership packages. Yeah. And on top of that, you can also join for free. So you can join for free and check out the platform and use some products. But if you want to participate more from it, you need to buy one of the membership packages, and they are lifetime. Yeah, and they starting already with $125, and you get 3 things from each package. One thing is you activating your infrastructure for reward commission. So the bigger the package, the more rewards you get. Then you activating education courses. So the bigger the package, the more education you receive. And third is the peak minting software. So the bigger the package and the more peak minting you will get every month. So these are the 3 pillars of each package, and they starting from $125 to maximum $15,000 US. So these are the packages. And also I want to show you how the leasing of the peak minting software works. So at the moment where you start, where you buy a package, the peak minting software starts to work 32 months, okay? And in the first 12 months, you get a bonus peak minting between 2.5% to up to 7% per month in peak token, yeah, depending on the package you bought. And these packages and these peak tokens, you can every time send to the exchanges and sell them if you want, or you can hold them, so you're completely flexible. And the minting you get every week, so it's weekly minting that you get. So that's amazing. And after the 12 months, you get a release minting of 20 months, where you get 5% every month minting the last 20 months. So that's how the peak minting process working behind the packages that we have. And also we have a reward plan for the people who want to achieve more in their life. So it's not necessary, yeah, it's not necessary. But if you want to achieve more, if you want to get a second income, or if you want to have a main income, so you are open to receive rewards. And we have here 5 income types. We have direct sales bonus, cycle bonus, matching bonus, carry bonus, and global bonus. And there we're paying out up to 56% of the turnover of each margin that we get generating. And yeah, so that's very exciting, very amazing, and very attractive. And if you want to know more details about it, then talk with the person who invites you to this webinar. Yeah, because if I would explain everything, it would be too much, of course. And now I want to explain you our new product. So that's the newest product that is already live since August. Yeah, and this is of course our Peak DeFi wallet. Okay, that's our Peak DeFi wallet, and that is already downloadable on Google Play and on App Store. And what can this app? First of all, it's a native in-wallet mobile app. So native means it's very, the UI is amazing. Yeah, it's very fluently, and yeah, just download it. It's for free and check it out on yourself. It's very, very native. Then you can create and import your Ethereum wallet. Okay, that's also important. So you're creating a new Ethereum wallet on the blockchain, or you can import by importing your private keys. You can you can import your Ethereum wallet. And very important is that this app is completely decentralized. So nobody have access to your keys. Nobody, not we, not another people or third parties. Nobody, only you. And that was very important for us. Okay. Then it's specialized for DeFi. That's very important. This is one of the last few apps that is very specialized for DeFi. So in future, you can use Maker, Compound, and other stuff through this app. That's very important. Also, you can check your portfolio and transactions, of course. And we have an integrated DEX, so a decentralized exchange, and this is our newest product. We integrated the last week the decentralized one decentralized exchange into our app. Yeah, and that is amazing, because I think very, very few apps out there have this function, and we are one of the first, guys. We are really one of the first, and that is really, really amazing. Right now it's only available for iOS, but I think in the next week, or even maybe in this week, we will launch it also for Android. So just wait a bit if you are an Android user, but soon everything will be possible. Yeah. And of course, you can also send and receive token also. And right now I want to share with you the new DEX. The new DEX live on my smartphone, but I need now to go out of the screen. And if you like it, yeah, so if you like the DEX, please like the video. Yeah, so I want to have many likes on this video, so because it's really amazing feature that we implemented. It's really cutting edge stuff. So okay, I see. Good news. Amazing. Yeah, now you should see my screen. Give me feedback if you see my screen. So now I go into the Peak DeFi wallet, and you see below on the right corner, you see we have a new button called Exchange. Okay, and now I clicking on it. Okay, I clicking on it, and ta-da, you have here an integrated DEX. Yeah, that's really amazing. So here both you can choose your asset, what you want to exchange to another asset. For example, and the great thing is, for example, I will use now Ethereum, okay, or Peak token, for example, and now I can exchange to many other assets. Yeah, for example, I don't know, to Ethereum. Yeah, and now I can take 100 or 1,000 Peak token, okay, and then it's loading, and you see I get around 0.39 Ethereum, and then I need to approve the peak first, because that's normal in the smart contract. So first you need to approve, and then you can swap. Okay, so first approve, and then I need to confirm that. Yeah, for example, and that's it. Yeah, but I don't want to waste your time. I will choose Ethereum, because I already approved Ethereum. So if I want, for example, exchange Ethereum to wrap Bitcoin, then you see I have already the swap button, because I already approved the Ethereum. And now I click on swap, and I can directly then swap to wrap Bitcoin. And that is amazing, guys. You see, I just need to click on confirm, and then it's swapped. Yeah, I will not do that now, because I want to keep my Ethereum also here. I need it for transactions, But that is how the exchange is working. It's amazing and it's implemented. And of course, we will also improve this exchange, but it's already nice. It's really nice. Everything on your smartphone. And yeah, give a like if you like it, and leave a comment also how you like it. Okay, I go out again of the exchange and yeah, and go again into the presentation. Okay, and now I go on. So yeah, here's again the slide where you can. So if you search, oh wait a second, if you search on, if you type Peak DeFi wallet in the Google Play Store or in the Apple App Store, you will find the app and then you can download it. So very easy to download, and it's for free, of course. It's completely for free. And yeah, also the great thing is that we also additionally have a new partnership with IvanPay, and IvanPay is they creating POS, so point of sales terminals, and payment modules for vending machines. So you see on the right, for example, you can buy food or electronic stuff or other stuff, and you can directly pay with cryptocurrencies. And our Peak token is involved now, so is integrated now. So if you are in Hong Kong, for example, you can use the Peak DeFi wallet and already pay with Peak token. That's really amazing. So it is already available in Hong Kong, and soon it will be available in Japan, Singapore, South Korea, and Dubai. And that's really amazing because that's a great first step to get more adoption in Asia. Yeah, so very good. And yeah, and now I want to introduce you the third pillar, and that's the Peak DeFi Fund. It's a performance-based and permissionless managed decentralized fund driven by the community. Okay, and I want to show you how it works. Yeah, you see you see that we have in the middle one global fund, one Peak DeFi global fund, and everything what will be invested, it calls assets under management. Okay, and on the left side we have the investors who can invest decentralized via their Ethereum address, yeah, ERC20 address, and they can invest with over 70 plus assets, and these assets will exchanged via DEX to USDC. So the fund is based on USDC, okay? And then from the other side, traders or fund managers can trade this fund, yeah, and also it's permissionless. So there can many they can connect many traders, yeah. So there can be 1,000 traders or 10,000 traders, but important is that they need to stake Peak token and they need to buy a reputation token. That's very important. So they need and what means the reputation token? So if they trade bad, then the reputation is low, and then they cannot trade much from the global fund. If they trade good and the performance is good, then they have much reputation and they get more from the global fund. So that's the important thing, and that is how it works. So very important. And so we creating a performance-based DeFi fund for the future. Okay, and yeah, and after each trading cycle, there will be generated profits, and the profits going to investors or will be shared to investors, affiliates, and managers. Okay. And I just want to show you a short comparison versus traditional and DeFi fund. Yeah, because you need to understand that we are here in a asset management. So in the, how to explain, in the fund niche, yeah, in the investment fund niche, and therefore we competing against traditional hedge funds. Okay, and the traditional hedge funds are mostly, are of course centralized. So mostly one entity is behind them. They have upfront fees before the investment because of their bureaucracy. Yeah, because of the bureaucracy, they have also a higher fee structure. Then they have in general one trading strategy by one entity, and they have less transparency about all executed trades. And on the other side, we have the performance-based DeFi fund, which is decentralized. So there is no middleman behind it. Even we can nothing manage after the smart contract is out. We can nothing manage anymore. Yeah, we have here no upfront fees. We have only the gas costs, so the transaction fees. We have here many traders with different strategies. We have the best traders, so the best traders get more AUM to trade, and we are completely transparent by the Ethereum blockchain, so you can see each trade out there. Yeah, and we very less fees because of full automation. So that is the big advantages, the big advantage that we have here. Yeah, and also the fund managers, the possibilities for the fund managers that they have, they can trade many assets on the Ethereum blockchain. They can use limit orders. They can go short and long. Trading is also possible up to double leverage, and they can also use a Peak DeFi API to interact with the smart contract if they're using algorithm, for example. So there are many things that are already prepared. And yeah, also we will launch a Peak staking with the DeFi fund, with the DeFi platform, and 50% of all Peak tokens can be staked. So 50%, and the earlier, the bigger, and the longer you stake, the more rewards you get. So you get really attractive rewards by a bigger and longer bonus. So these are two factors that counting. And also you need to stake Peak token for fund managers to trade the DeFi fund. Okay, and also Peak staking is required for affiliate commissions, so also very important. But you need also to know, Peak staking is not required for investors. So because we want to have less obstacles for the investor, because the less obstacles he has, the easier is it for them to start. Okay, so therefore we not decided to do that for the investor side. Okay. And also we have, oh, I see the slide looks not nice. We have also oh, wait a second. We have also, sorry for that, guys. So now. Oh, man. I cannot do it smaller. I don't know why, but we have also a reward plan that goes 8 level deep, and you just need to stake Peak for that. So there are no requirements besides of staking Peak. So therefore, if you're staking 10,000 Peak, then you're activating all levels, all 8 levels, where you can receive commission for Peak staking, and also receive commissions if the fund is profitable. Then you get commissions in USDC that you can always claim on the platform. So that's very important. Okay. And also what I have amazing to share with you is that we have amazing integrated protocols to achieve the best results. So we're using protocols like Kyber Network, 1inch, Uniswap, and Compound. So these are one of the best protocols out there, and we also using them on our Peak DeFi platform. And another great news is that already QuantStamp started with the smart contract security audit in October. So they started last week on Monday, and this week they starting with the second week, and they will be finishing around 2 weeks. And then we need to fix the last bugs or the last fixes, And then, and then we will start in November with the Peak DeFi fund, with the beta version first. And yeah, that is amazing. That's really, really amazing. And I'm happy to share that with you. And you need to know that Quantstamp is the #1 of smart contract security. They audited Ethereum 2.0, they audited Binance, they audited, I think, Maker, Compound, so many other big players, and we are one of them right now. So that's an honor for us to be audited. And there will be more things coming soon. Believe me, we also planning yield farming in the next year. So maybe January, February, we're also planning protection staking in January, February. So there are big things coming soon. And I hope you will share the vision with us. And also many people asking how the peak price can go up. So normally we have 5 main reasons. First reason is because of the community growth. Second is, so the bigger the community, the better for the price. Then, of course, because of the success of the Peak ecosystem. Then because of the usage of Peak token, okay. Then because also, of course, of the media attention. Media can be bad and good. Yeah, of course, everybody knows that. And therefore media plays a big role in that, and also because of the innovation of technology. And you see that we are developing many stuff, and we're growing and growing every day, and that makes me really exciting. And about the roadmap, so I told you already many stuff. The next goals are for 2020 that we want to launch the Peak DeFi fund. We want to achieve 50,000 members. Right now we are around 30,000 members, so it will be quite tough to achieve that, but it could happen. And also we want to achieve the peak price of $1. Maybe it will be also good 75 cents, but these are the goals that we want to achieve. At the end of the next year, we want to have a completely decentralized solution also for MarketPeak, maybe. Yeah. Then also want to achieve 250,000 members on for our community. We want to achieve a peak price of $2, and December 2022, we want to achieve 500,000 members. We want to have a 1 billion market cap and a peak price of $4. So that are our achievements, that what we want to reach. And I hope you will share the vision with us and join us. So that's what we aiming for. And this opportunity, what can I say at last? Take this opportunity and be a part of our community, because it starts everything with a decision. 5 years ago, I just worked in a 9-to-5 job. But I decided to not have a 9-to-5 job. I wanted to dream a life, or to have a life like I want, to work wherever I want, when I want, and with who I work, who I want, and also to have time for my family and live a life in freedom and independence, and it's up to you. It's everything starting with a decision, and I hope you decide to join us, to try us out, and just focusing you for 3 to 6 months, and then you will see the knowledge that you will get, the results that you will get, and the life that you will get finally. And that's what I want for you. So make a decision, and I hope you decide for MarketPeak, and you can shape your future with us. So thank you very much. I'm finished with the presentation, and I hope you liked it. I will check the chat if you have any questions. Hello to Vietnam, hello to India. It's amazing. 10.7 billion is the market cap of DeFi. That's great. So I see you have right now not much question, and it's and so therefore I would say Thank you very much for participating in this webinar. You can share this webinar to other people because we have different time zones, and right now maybe not many people have time to watch this webinar. So take this link, share it with your partners, and I wish you a great day and see you soon in the next webinar. Bye bye, your Sergey.